Black people are not playing. This pastor, he went to Target. He made them count all the clothes and he didn't buy them. Like literally, this is showing me how low black people are willing to go to show Target who is boss.
Have you heard of how much is it again?
2632. Oh, no.
2632. Have you heard of DEI?
Not that I know of.
You haven't? Okay. Part of the reason why I'm not going to purchase this because of how she treated me and your staff since I've been here. And so I'm just going to leave. Let her help you take it all back. I'm done. So yeah, I didn't buy anything here at Target. And see, that's what we got to get our activists to know, that we can do boycott, but you got to add inconvenience to it. Everybody in the country need to go to a local Target, shop, get all the things that you think that you would like, put it in the cart, go to the cash register and say, you know what? You all don't support DEI. This is my last, and they can call the police. I thought they'd been out here waiting on me, but I ain't coming back no way.
Wait, let me get his name for you. He is called, let me get his name. He is called Pastor Carlton Lynch. And the caption says, I was so stirred by, and then another name that I won't say, message, that I decided to go shopping at Target and do something that I like to call boycott with inconvenience. Yes, you won't believe what happened when I go to the register. Now, a lot of people are going to the comment section of his videos like, literally, entire pastor, how dare you do this? Like, there's no way you would do this. Like, your God is watching you. And people are still saying, like, that was kind of rude. And also some people saying in the comment section, like, so you decided to go do this to target people, like, these employees, it's not their problem. Like, why would you do such things? First things first, he cleared it out for everyone. In the first place, when he entered the store and he tried to look for information, them white girls looked at him like he was, you understand. And they were going around him like, you understand, like the monitoring spirit sometimes that they can do that. That is why on the counter, he said, you heard about DEI? Okay, that is one of the reasons, but main important reason, he was not giving good treatment. And that's on Mary here. And it's funny how he said, I thought they were gonna hold Papa on me, but but it's not funny because it goes even ahead to show that black people are not even safe when they decide not to buy. Y'all remember that Asian lady who made the people, is it by a Louis Vuitton count like things for like 20,000 US dollars, or is it like 100,000, and she didn't buy it? I don't think she was scared that they were gonna call the papa on her. Why would he even feel like they're going to call the police on him? That really goes ahead to show you that. Yeah. But ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce myself. My name is Natskunda Esther. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, like, comment, and share. Let me know what you think in the comment section about Target boycott. Now, you know, black people. I'm sorry to laugh. The black people, you know, I've come to a realization that sometimes black people be holding back. I feel like, you know, in my country where I come from, we say in Uganda that like when you, yo guys, English, when you scratch a wound, later on still it's gonna bring blood because you're poking it too much, right? And it's giving black people, when they are poked too much, they bleed on you. Yeah, they decide to show you the consequences of your actions. I would rather say, probably. Is that proper English? No, because you want to tell me a man of God. Yeah, I saw that video. I showed you that video where the pastor literally went to church and he told people, do not go and shop anything on the Wait, what's the date today? Woo! It's the 27th of February 2025. Here we am. But ladies and gentlemen, on the 28th of February, I want to remind you the black dollar is speaking loudly and clearly. And that means ain't nobody's gonna go to do shopping. You know why? Because when big corporations, they feel like they got the energy, they got the power, they got the will to do anything that they want to as black people. Black people, you do whatever you feel like you want to do. You see, the thing is, every video that is coming out and is showing the target situation is giving black people were really keeping you in business. No, because where is the white people shopping? You understand what I mean? Like, if really black people money was that useless and it did not inject anything in the economy and like businesses that didn't need black people to come and do shopping, where is the white people shopping? Why is everyone going to Target and the show in Target is empty? What happened? So now that you know that is your money that they're looking for. No, because it's, by the way, let's just meditate on it for a second and y'all tell me what you think in the comment section. Where are the white shoppers? Asian shoppers, Arab shoppers. Arabs for trap, Latinos for trap. Okay, well, I know some of them, I took them back home, which is not a laughable situation. But where is everybody? The only thing that we keep on saying is white ladies on the counter looking amazing and smart. But where are the shoppers? Does that mean it's the black people that have been keeping Target in business? I'm just asking for a friend. Hello? Somebody know the answer? Yes? No? Okay. We want to know. Where is everyone? Because every single day people coming out showing videos that they went and Target was empty. And the only people that were there are those that were there to make sure no black person is shopping there. Which means black people have the power. Your money speaks louder. And I'm not even just here to like make the fuel like burn so much. It's just that I'm trying to say on the 28th, don't go shopping. Yeah, seriously, if they take away DEI and it looks like it's a stupid situation to like, bring it back and, and we don't need black people money and like we don't need them to be included, stay at home, don't shop. Let's see. Who's gonna come shopping? Because if white people ain't shopping at Target, I don't know who is shopping. Currently, Costco's pockets is going up. But black people are petty. Black people, you are not to be trusted. Because even Costco itself, on the 28th, black people are not shopping at Costco. Not like in a bad situation, not in like in a bad spirit. It's just like, y'all are literally letting everyone be. Like, we're sitting at home, we're chilling. Literally, like the black community is becoming the 92% altogether. Like, what's happening? This pasta.
Have you heard of, how much is it again?
$26.32.
26.32. Have you heard of DEI?
Not that I know of.
You haven't? Okay. Part of the reason why I'm not going to purchase this because of how she treated me and your staff since I've been here. And so I'm just going to leave. Let her help you take it all back. I'm done. So yeah, I didn't buy anything here at Target. And see, that's what we got to get our activists to know, that we can do boycott, but you got to add inconvenience to it. Everybody in the country need to go to a local Target, shop, get all the things that you think that you would like, put it in the cart, go to the cash register and say, you know what? You all don't support DEI. This is my last, and they can call the police. I thought they'd been out here waiting on me, but I ain't coming back no way.